Okay, well today is Saturday, December 3rd?
No. No, we start that again.
December 2nd. I'm sorry.
January.
We're already in January. Oh yeah. First boating outing of the year, January 2nd? 3rd. Saturday. Let's see how it goes. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, well, we're approaching our first location. This is known as Holly Beach. There's a couple boaters out there already. It's about 10:38 in the morning, and we're in about 3.5 feet of water. It's low tide right now. The high tide should be coming in, cresting around 1 p.m. So we're hoping that this tidal change will bring some fish. Okay, well, we're still over here by Holly Beach. So far, we only caught a couple catfish. It's a nice day, but really there is no bite. A few catfish and a few pinfish. That's about all we caught. We're going to stay here for a little bit longer, and then we're going to move on to another spot. See how it goes. Okay, well, we're gonna approach a place to eat here since fishing has not been that great. So maybe we can dock and eat, and I didn't know you could cut across too. I guess you can. I learned something today. So we cannot go that way.
No, we cannot go that way. The birds are right there. Let's go where this guy goes.
Well, we left the Longboard restaurant, which is somewhere way over there. Now we're trying to one more fishing spot. Now it's around 2:44. So far nothing really, just a couple catfish and pinfish. A lot of boats in the water today. Water in this area right now is really murky, so we'll see. Normally we can catch them whiting, at least in this area, so hopefully we can get a few of those. We'll keep fishing.
There's something. Oh,
I think I got a nice big fat whiting.
yes,
Yeah.
you did.
Oh boy.
Chin barb and everything.
Yeah.
Big white.
Look at that. Oops, sorry about that. That's a nice big fat whiting, about a foot long.
Yep.
Thank you, Jesus. Okay, well, I'm hooked onto something again. I might miss this also hook, I think. I think it's a catfish this time.
Yep.
Yeah, that's another catfish. They found us. Okay, well, Misty says she got something. Whoa. Okay, we'll work it in. Just give it a little bit of, you know.
Well, let's just let it play a little bit.
Okay. Bring it in. Oh, you got away. Oh man, you got away. Yeah, you got away. Thanks. Okay, well, we're still with Misty and her unknown fish. We think it's a stingray, so I on anchor and she's rolling in. Hopefully the line does not snap. I have a 10-pound mono on that line, so we're coming up on it, I guess. I mean, it is pulling the boat in that direction. So I wonder what this mystery fish is. We think it's a stingray, more than likely.
It's coming up. Ooh. It's going that way now.
Yeah, it knows it's on the line. That's probably the one fish that got away from us the other night. So it's not a red, it's a stingray. Yeah.
How do I stop it?
Okay, stop it right there. Okay. There. Oh, the line snapped. Oh well. Okay, Misty got herself, she believes it's a ladyfish. No, it's not. Another nasty catfish. Well, we're gonna try out our last spot here for the day. It's getting late in the afternoon. There's the swing bridge over there, Long Island Village. And we'll see how it goes here. See if we get any good bites here. The red. Woo! I don't know if you guys caught that, but we caught a red. That's the fish we're after. Thank you, Jesus. Woo! Right in the minute that the big wake is coming.
I know there's a big wake coming.
The big wake coming from the boat, and Misty got a catfish, but I got a red. Nice red.
Wait, there it is.
Here comes the wake. Fish, we're just gonna have to hold on because this wake is coming from the boat. Oh, I think we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Thank you, Jesus. This is the fish that we were after. This is the fish that we wanted. Open up. Okay. This is the fish that we wanted, that we're after. Cut it on a piece of shrimp, frozen shrimp. Sorry, fishy. I thought I got away, but no, he didn't get away. Honey, do you mind taking me a picture?
Your phone?
Yeah, my phone. I don't want it to die. Oh, with yours.
Ready.
Go ahead. Got it?
I think so. Yes.
How big do you think it is?
I don't know. I didn't get to see it. Well, it's at least 17.
That's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, about 18?
Yeah, I would say so.
Okay, about an 18. There you go. Live another day. Woo!
Good job.
Woo! Thank you, Jesus. Okay, I was about to get my other rod when another red.
Oh, good job, honey.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I didn't think this. Oh. Another red. Oh my gosh. Sheephead.
Awesome.
It's a sheephead, not a red. No, it's not a sheephead. I think it's a
Drum?
drum. Yeah, it's a black drum. Not a
Wow.
sheephead. That was a
Dark.
sheephead.
It's dark. Normally they're not that dark.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
a
a sheephead. It's a sheephead. He's
Yeah.
got little teeth. I don't know my fish categories. Although I did take marine biology in class, but I think I slept most of it. Or sheephead. Or yeah, I think so. I can't hit the hook off. Oh gosh. It's so this might be gone.
Those super strong jaws, right?
Super strong jaws. Just got it right in the corner of the mouth. a sheephead. Get through the camera. Thank you, Jesus. Woo! Okay, well, that's it. We're going back home now. We still have to go home and wash the boat, etc. So it's a good day. Fishing was real slow throughout the day until we hit our last spot, and then we got the nice red, about 18 incher, and I think it's like a 12-inch sheephead. Still good. Well, thank you, Jesus, for this blessing you give us today, and we thank you for watching.